Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time for Guitar Repair at String Tech. Not too sure what happened with this R9 headstock, but there was a chunk of black missing right down to the holly underlay, and on this side as well. So that's been drop filled with nitrocellulose lacquer, black lacquer. I will let that sink and maybe drop fill it again tomorrow, and then we'll just very gently water sand it flush. So I drop filled both sides of that headstock. I would think it's probably hanger hook wounds. It has a compensated nut, 11 to 48 strings, half step down or E flat tuning. Octave, 7th fret, it's octave, 12th fret again, open, and 1st fret. Got my foam mutes in here. This guitar is really lively. Just changing it up here for a second using a different tuner. Same test. It's a strobo tuner. 12th fret, 7th fret, and it's octave. 12th fret and open, and 1st fret. Okay, we're back to the VU meter, and 3rd string, 12th fret, 7th fret, and it's octave, 12th fret again, open, 2nd string, 7th fret, it's octave, 12th fret, open. Lastly, the high E or E flat, 7th fret, and it's octave, 12th fret, open. Both of these guitars had some hanger hook wounds that we took care of. With the R9, of course, it's just that faceplate of holly that's painted black. For that, I just dropped in some nitrocellulose lacquer over the course of a couple of days, built it up, and then just leveled it. So this one's ready to go. This is a B minor blues. So I'm going to let that play. Other than giving the volume pot a little spray, kind of touched up those two nicks on either side of the headstock, and this compensated nut is calibrated for 11 to 48 strings E-flat tuning. One more timeless Les Paul, right up to snuff.